Mistakenly blocked someone on Viber or decided to reconnect? Learn how to easily unblock a contact and allow them to message and call you again. Unblocking a contact on Viber removes them from your block list, allowing them to send you messages, call you, and see your online status and profile updates again. It's important to note that you will not receive messages or calls they tried to send while they were blocked. So, from your Viber app, tap on the profile of the person you have blocked. In their chat, right at the top, you should see a label stating that the contact is blocked. Right next to that label, there should be a button labeled Unblocked. You can unblock by tapping on that button. Alternatively, simply dropping them a text could do the trick as well. When you try sending a text, Viber will quickly ask you for confirmation, stating that texting the person would unblock them. Tap on OK to proceed. That's it! If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!